Comparing hundredths. This is very similar to comparing tenths. You can just use the unit rule. We're going to be putting them on a number line here. So here's a number line showing hundredths. Notice here's 1 whole unit. I'm sorry, this is 0 whole units. And this is 1 whole unit. From 0 to here is 1/10, and each tenth is broken down into 10. So this would be 10 hundredths, 20 hundredths, to here is 30 hundredths, 40 hundredths, 50 hundredths, like that. The whole numbers and the tenths are labeled. There's not enough room to label hundredths. And so it's just a bunch of little knobs here because there's not enough room. There's not enough room to write 0.01, 0.02, 0.03. There's just not enough room. However, we can still locate each number on the number line. 1 and 23 hundredths, I would go to 1 whole, 1 and 20 hundredths, and then count on 3 knobs. 1, 2, 3. 16 hundredths, well, that's the same thing as 1/10 and 6 hundredths. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like so. And so you'll just have to carefully count 1 and 31 hundredths. You'll go to 1, 1 and 3/10, 1 and 3/10 and 1/100th, like that. For 9 hundredths, you'll have to go, this will be 10 hundredths, which is too many, and so you go back 1. That would be 9 hundredths. So for the next section, you've just located numbers below on the number line. I'm sorry, you've just located the numbers below on the number line. So 92 hundredths, 1 and 8 hundredths, those are the numbers up here. So you've just located the numbers below on the number line, and now you'll use is greater than, is equal to, or is less than to make true statements. Remember, larger numbers are to the right and smaller numbers are to the left on the number line. And so 92 hundredths is greater than 9 hundredths. 1 and 23 hundredths is greater than 1 and 8 hundredths. So this is just comparing. So all of the numbers in this chart are on the number line here. The next section, you want to know, can you do these without a number line? And the answer is yes, you can. 2 and 50 hundredths versus 2 and 5 hundredths. The two wholes are the same, but 50 hundredths is greater than 5 hundredths. 96 hundredths versus 2 and 24 hundredths. 96 hundredths versus 2 and 24 hundredths. Well, 96 is less than, 0 whole units is less than 2 whole units. So I just go through and compare. 1 and 0 hundredths versus 99 hundredths. Well, this is 100 hundredths and this is 99 hundredths. 100 is greater than 99.